Today, let's dive into the life of a brilliant mind who revolutionized physics. Robert Andrews Millikan was born in 1868 in the quiet town of Morrison, Illinois. But little did anyone know that this young boy would one day change how we understand electricity and the cosmos. Robert grew up in a family deeply rooted in faith. His father, a pastor, taught him values like simplicity and dedication. But young Robert wasn't exactly passionate about science yet. At 18, Robert entered Oberlin College. Believe it or not, physics wasn't even on his radar. He excelled in Greek of all subjects and thought physics was a waste of time. But life had other plans. When the college needed a physics teacher, Robert's Greek professor, impressed by his dedication, volunteered him for the job. Robert was shocked. He didn't know physics, but for $600 he couldn't say no. With sheer determination, he learned the subject and ended up loving it. This was the turning point in Robert's life, which sparked his lifelong passion for physics. Driven by curiosity, Robert earned his PhD from Columbia University in 1895. But despite his new degree, no one was hiring. His mentor advised him to head to Germany, where groundbreaking discoveries like X-rays were being made. Robert arrived in Europe at the perfect time. Scientists like Röntgen and Becquerel were making waves with their discoveries of invisible radiation. Inspired, Robert returned to the U.S. and became an assistant to the legendary physicist Albert Michelson. For the next 12 years, Robert dedicated himself to teaching and writing textbooks. But around the age of 40, a mystery had been bugging him. What was the electric charge of a single electron? In 1909, Robert conducted the groundbreaking oil drop experiment. He watched tiny drops of oil fall between metal plates in an electric field. This experiment revealed that electric charge always comes in multiples of a single elementary charge. He had measured the electron's charge. This discovery was huge. In 1923, Robert was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work. He became the second American physicist to win this prestigious award, following his mentor, Michelson. But Robert wasn't done yet. He moved to Pasadena and turned his attention to cosmic rays, mysterious radiation from space. Through experiments at high altitudes and even underwater, he became convinced these rays were tied to creating heavier elements in space. Robert believed that cosmic rays were the birth cry of new atoms being formed in the universe. It was a bold theory, blending science with his belief in a divine creator. Unfortunately, not all of Robert's ideas were right. Fellow physicist Arthur Compton later proved that cosmic rays were made of charged particles, not photons, as Robert had thought. But that didn't stop him from continuing his scientific journey. Despite his towering achievements, Robert enjoyed life outside the lab. He loved golfing, tennis, and had many friends. In 1902, he married Greta Blanchard, and together they had 3 sons. His eldest, Clark, even became a renowned aerodynamics professor. Robert spent his later years developing the California Institute of Technology into one of the world's leading science institutions. His contributions to science and education have left an indelible mark on the world. Robert Millikan's story teaches us the power of persistence, curiosity, and faith. From a boy uninterested in science to a Nobel Prize winner, his journey reminds us that sometimes the unexpected path leads to the greatest discoveries. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story of Robert Millikan's incredible life, like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring tales from the world of science.